So office is an interesting case. We're looking at the office market for Greater Boston going into the hypersupply phase at point 13 here. And what's interesting is I think we've got a dynamic occurring where suburban office, which is primarily what we're measuring in our data, is differing from urban office. In fact, we're seeing that suburban office was a fairly popular asset class in 2020. The first quarter of 2020 saw a uptick in office trades, and we continue to see that happen through the rest of the year. In fact, if we look at the sales volume, you can see here that office deals were up 21% in 2020 over 2019, and the average price per square foot hit $149 per square foot. That's a 17% higher transaction volume in 2020 over 2019. So very interesting. We also saw the median deal size for all properties decline since 2018, down 7.56%, which means higher volumes of smaller deals are trading. And overall transactions closed in 2020 were 534 properties versus 511 in 2019, so off peak from 561 properties in 2018. So with the 10-year Treasury currently trading around 1.6, 1.7%, we are certainly seeing some upward pressure in the bond market that could put some downward pressure on pricing, or at least kind of mute pricing somewhat as cost to borrow funds increases. But looking at our charts here, we are continuing to see moderate growth in the market, and we're forecasting 2021 to be a busy year as we get closer to the 2022 tax changes that the Biden administration have started to discuss. Some owners this year are thinking of selling to get out of the market ahead of that and pay their capital gains taxes in 2021's rates versus 2020.